In 1995, two partners met with a vision of making material handling simple and efficient. That's how Hydro Fabs was born. 25 years later, we are still driven by the most exacting standards, constantly encouraging our designers to challenge the constraints of the modern world and produce ideas that others would deem impossible. It is this drive and devotion that has led Hydro Fabs to be widely acknowledged as the best hydraulic lift manufacturers. Bangalore is the modern home of Hydro Fabs. The Silicon Valley of India helps us bring modern technology and traditional values into our manufacturing process. Every equipment is hand-built under the same roof. With a span of over 40,000 square feet, we have an extensively organized production process. Our production team works on a combination of technology and manpower. Our enthusiastic, efficient and determined employees work passionately to make our premises more dynamic and productive. No other manufacturer can boast either the prestige or heritage of the hydraulic lifts produced by Hydro Fabs. Designed and built to the most exacting of standards, these remarkable machines remain timeless while constantly pushing the boundaries of manufacturing excellence. Each model is imbued with its own distinctive style and personality, yet they all share the powerful presence and refined design cues that makes them inevitably our lives.
And today we have a special guest, Mr. Ali Akbar Mehtawala, who is spearheading the sales and marketing team of Hydro Fabs.
So now after 25 years, we lead the industry with our hydraulic lifts and our metal handling equipment. With a base of more than 10,000 customers spread across all industries ranging from automobiles, pharmaceuticals, IT, FMCG, aviation, hospitality and many more, we have penetrated the market and are the chosen partners for companies like Biocon, Amazon, Infosys, Lamborghini, Radisson Blue and many more. Hydro Fabs is more than just a company to us. It is a family business that has been part of a legacy that will see new heights in the coming years. All this history has been thanks to our dear patrons. So thank you and stay tuned for more information which will bring you closer to us.